Liz Partridge, with her lawyer Nicole keeping a watchful eye, is about to meet four tāne, who, like the wahine, each represent a portal into a unique Māori experience.
This is Te Ariki, a former stuntman, now coordinator, who was forced into early retirement due to being kicked in the head by Xena's horse.
Xena, warrior princess!
Kia ora. Ah, yes. Next we have David. David is a huge sci-fi fan. He's only missed 3 Armageddon since 2011 due to his terrible roster at Denny's Manukau, where he is the duty manager.
Thank you.
Ah, and this is Jism.
Jizzy, J to the Izzy mean you gon' get busy. Jizzy.
Jose hails from the mean streets of Epsom.
Southside Epsom, pretty much on the border of Mount Eden.
And lastly, this is Manu, or Manu as he likes to be called. He is a bona fide Mozzie, part-time model, all the way from Byron Bay in Sydney.
I ain't done the Maori haka, but I love my Maori tucker.
So since Liz has had to wait an extra day, I'm sure she's rearing to go. So,
Kai whakahere o te ao, wahine kuainga kai whakahere o te ao, wahine mawa tēnei whakahere o te ao, wahine.